Here's a recent unboxing video that I filmed, and when I filmed it, I did not notice the audio was not recording. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play back the video and read back the script I had written up and kind of give some play-by-play of what happened here, the best that I can. So you won't hear the tearing and ripping open of the box, but please bear with me, and I apologize, the audio did not originally record correctly. So, on August 19th, 2021, the United States Mint offered the 2021 W American Liberty High Relief Gold Coin for sale to the public. In only about an hour or so, the entire offering of 12,500 coins had been sold to the public. Coins were sold for $2,715 each. Since 2015, the U.S. Mint issued an American Liberty High Relief Gold Coin every other year. So for the 2015, the 2017, and 2019 issues, the coins featured a modern rendition of Lady Liberty. The concept of liberty being portrayed by a female figure has been the norm for American coins since the beginning. With this 2021 issue, the Mint has interpreted liberty in a much different manner. This time as a wild American Mustang horse that is bucking off a saddle, in the manner that the Americans threw off the yoke of British control during the American Revolution. The reverse design is a close-up view of an eagle's head with tremendous detail. The coins are a full troy ounce of 24 karat 9999 fine gold with a face value of $100. I unfortunately was not able to get the coin directly from the Mint this time, but I did find a friend that had ordered an extra one that was available for sale, so I quickly grabbed it up from him. So here's the box. Let's get it open and see what this coin looks like. And there you see me. I got my handy box opening tool. Safety first, everyone. Kids, don't try that at home. Again, you're not hearing the noises of me tearing this one open because, again, when I originally recorded it, the audio did not come with it. So I'm doing the audio over. All right, so this box was a little tough to open up. Was glued a little heavier than some of the more recent Mint offerings, but we managed to get it open. You're gonna see me slide the paperwork out real quick, just because there's some personal information on there that we don't want to have on camera. And looks like I missed a piece of tape there on the side first. And then I'll probably slide out the personal information. There we go. There it is, the 2021 American Liberty High Relief Gold Coin with some awesome packaging in there, just a crumpled up piece of paper, keeping the coin and the box safe. There is the box. Now I know this box is a little heavier duty, and it was heavier and just more well made than a lot of the other recent Mint offerings, like the Proof Silver Eagles and even the Proof like Gold that came out there, which are just in little cardboard boxes. This is actually more similar to the older style packaging. So there is the certificate of authenticity. Even the certificate of authenticity seemed a little nicer than some of the recent Mint offerings. And that is the design that's on the obverse of the coin. That there is Liberty, the American Mustang horse, bucking off the saddle with the sun below. I'm going to show the details inside the certificate of authenticity here. And when we get them close up on the screen, if you want to see all the details or want to read that yourself, feel free to pause. And there you go. There's all the information. And there is the reverse of the certificate of authenticity as well. So there is the box. Huge box for the coin. Box is way bigger than the coin itself. Kind of odd, but it's definitely a nicer box than the little cardboard ones that the Mint has been putting out for some of the other coins. But there it is. High relief gold, and it's beautiful. I mean, the whole coin itself is kind of it's like kind of cupped in. It's, you know, kind of a concave, I guess is the word I'm looking for. Beautiful proof look, tons of detail, and it just looks amazing in proof. It looks amazing in proof. Going to get the coin flipped around. They really stick them in there, and so they don't move while being shipped. So I'm going to get out my handy coin removal tool, being very, very careful not to pry open the capsule itself. Just get under the capsule a little bit without scratching it, so it's easily removed. Again, there's the obverse of the coin. Beautiful, beautiful. Really nothing like the feel of an ounce of gold in your hand, and high relief designs in proof are just amazing. And this reverse, the reverse with that close-up of the eagle's head, I mean, that is one cool looking eagle, I think. I mean, the eagles have been portrayed on coins many, many different ways over the last couple of centuries, and really just haven't seen an eagle like that. That's just so impressive. One thing that I noticed that I just don't love is how big the letters Liberty are, or maybe it's just the font that I don't love, and the sun below even looks a little bit cartoonish, but man, that eagle on the reverse is stunning. I think I'm definitely going to have to do a close-up video of this coin and show it like I usually show the other coins. But I'm really glad I was able to get the coin. Let me know if you were able to get one of these as well and what you think of it. I mean, even if you didn't get the coin, let me know what you think of the design. And again, there you have it, the 2021 West Point American Liberty High Relief Gold Coin. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you guys around YouTube.